How to change Yahoo password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first step is you need to log into your Yahoo mail account. If you have trouble in logging into your account, then you can check my previous video on how to log into Yahoo mail account. And once you are here, you will be able to see the various options are the home page of Yahoo. So in order to change the password, you need to first go to your account settings or security. For that, you need to click on their profile option in the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to go to settings. Once you're on the settings, you'll be able to see your personal information, security, and many more options. You have to go for security. And under security, you'll be able to see the various options related to security. You have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see the password. So under password, there is use a strong unique password to access change password your account. You have to simply click on this change password option with blue color. And once you do that, you'll be able to see a text field for creating a new password. If you need any help regarding creating a new password, then you can go for password help option. And once you're done entering the new password over here, you have to go for continue and your password will be finally changed. So this is how you change Yahoo password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.